In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page roles on Meta Business Suite. This is really useful if you need to see who has access to a Facebook page, or you want to manage who can post, run ads, or handle messages on behalf of your business. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing the Meta Business Suite address into the URL bar, or by going through your Facebook account and selecting your business tools. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that actually has access to the business you want to manage. If you have more than one business, check that the correct business is selected at the top of the page. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options for managing your business. In that left-hand column, find and click on Settings. This will open up the main settings area for your business, where you can control things like people, assets, and permissions. Inside the settings area, stay focused on that left-hand column. You should see a section called Accounts. Under Accounts, look for the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is where Meta Business Suite lists all the Facebook pages that are connected to your business. After you click on Pages, you'll see a list of pages in the main part of the screen. If your business manages more than one page, take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct one. The page name should be clearly visible. Choosing the right page is important because any changes you make will apply only to that specific page. Next, you'll see a list of people who have access to that page along with their roles or permissions. To view or adjust the details for a specific person, look for the Manage button next to their name. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct page, click on Manage next to the person whose role you want to review or edit. From here, you can see exactly what kind of access they have. This is where you would confirm their role or prepare to make changes if needed. And that's how you find page roles on Meta.